Creativity has long been considered one of the most unique and defining traits of human intelligence. From art and music to literature and innovation, the ability to imagine something that does not yet exist has shaped human civilization. But today, artificial intelligence is entering this domain in ways that were once thought impossible. AI systems are now capable of generating images, composing music, writing text, and even producing videos. These outputs can sometimes be indistinguishable from those created by humans. This raises a fundamental question. If machines can create, what does that mean for human creativity? At first glance, AI-generated content appears impressive. It can produce results quickly, often in seconds, and at a scale that humans cannot match. A single AI system can generate thousands of images or write multiple articles in a short period of time. This efficiency challenges traditional creative processes, which often require time, effort, and emotional investment. However, there is a key difference between human creativity and artificial intelligence. Humans create based on experience, emotions, and personal perspectives. Every piece of art reflects a story, a feeling, or a unique interpretation of the world. AI, on the other hand, does not experience emotions. It generates content based on patterns learned from data. This distinction is crucial. While AI can mimic styles and replicate structures, it does not truly understand what it creates. It does not have intentions, desires, or consciousness. Instead, it operates by predicting what comes next based on existing information. Despite this limitation, AI is becoming a powerful tool for creators. Artists, designers, and writers are beginning to use AI to enhance their work, explore new ideas, and speed up production. Rather than replacing creativity, AI may be transforming it. This transformation, however, comes with challenges. If AI can generate content at scale, how do we define originality? How do we value human effort in a world where machines can produce similar results instantly? The rise of AI in creative fields is not just a technological shift. It is a cultural one. It forces us to rethink what it means to be creative and how we define human uniqueness in the age of intelligent machines. By the way, subscribe to Time to Wake Up for more AI, robotics, and future technology content. Now let's get back to AI versus human creativity. The growing presence of artificial intelligence in creative industries is already having real-world consequences. From graphic design to music production, AI tools are being adopted at an increasing rate. Companies are using these tools to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and scale content production. For professionals in creative fields, this raises concerns about job security. If AI can produce logos, write scripts, or compose music, what happens to the people who have built their careers around these skills? This fear is not unfounded. Automation has already transformed many industries, and creativity is now part of that transformation. However, history shows that technological advancements often change jobs rather than eliminate them entirely. New roles emerge, and existing roles evolve. In the case of AI, we are seeing the rise of hybrid creators, individuals who combine human creativity with AI tools to produce new types of content. These creators use AI as a collaborator rather than a replacement. They guide the process, refine the output, and add a human touch that machines cannot replicate. This creates a new form of creativity, where the boundaries between human and machine are blurred. Another important aspect is accessibility. AI tools make it easier for people with little technical skill to create content. Someone with no background in design can generate high-quality visuals. This democratization of creativity can lead to a surge in content production, giving more people the ability to express themselves. But this also leads to saturation. When everyone can create, the volume of content increases dramatically. This makes it harder for individual creators to stand out. In such an environment, originality, storytelling, and authenticity become even more valuable. Ethical concerns also emerge. AI systems are trained on existing works, which raises questions about intellectual property. Are generated creations truly original, or are they derived from the work of others? Who owns the output generated by an AI system? These questions are still being debated, and the answers will shape the future of creative industries. What is clear, however, is that AI is not just a tool. It is a force that is redefining how creativity works in the modern world. Looking ahead, The relationship between artificial intelligence and human creativity will continue to evolve. Rather than a simple replacement scenario, the future is likely to be more complex. AI will become more advanced, more capable, and more integrated into creative workflows. One possible future is collaboration. Humans and AI working together could unlock new forms of expression. AI can handle repetitive tasks, generate ideas, and provide inspiration, while humans focus on meaning, emotion, and storytelling. This partnership could lead to innovations that neither could achieve alone. Another possibility is differentiation. As AI-generated content becomes more common, audiences may begin to value human-made creations more highly. Authenticity could become a key factor, with people seeking content that reflects real experiences and genuine perspectives. There is also the question of identity. If AI can replicate styles and produce content similar to specific artists, what defines an individual creator? Protecting creative identity may become an important issue in the future. Education and skill development will also play a role. Learning how to use AI tools effectively could become a fundamental skill for creators. Those who adapt and integrate AI into their workflow may have a competitive advantage. At the same time, it is important to maintain a balance. Over-reliance on AI could lead to a loss of originality and critical thinking. Creativity is not just about producing content. It is about expressing ideas, emotions, and perspectives. Ultimately, AI does not eliminate creativity. It challenges us to redefine it. It forces us to ask deeper questions about what makes us human and what value we bring in a world where machines can create. The future of creativity is not a competition between humans and AI, but a transformation of how creativity is expressed. Those who understand this shift and adapt to it will be the ones who shape the next generation of art, culture, and innovation. Thanks for watching Time to Wake Up. The future is just getting started. See you in the next video.